heels on my tippies. Don't say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties. How me
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I am so excited because this vlog will be about my Vegas trip. We is in Vegas, y'all, period. So first we're gonna start off with a house tour.
For this fame, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. I pop out, get.
Hey guys, so this is the outside. So we have a pool area. And y'all, I didn't even bring a bathing suit, but the pool is pretty deep, so it's actually really cute. So I might buy one tomorrow. So right now it's nighttime and we all got here at different times. And so much that went on. I wanted to start the vlog at the airport, but not today. One of us got our luggage left. It's just been a lot. So tonight we just literally gonna walk the strip. So nothing much because it's late. But y'all stay tuned because it's gonna be lit. Period. Hey, period. Shots in the wine glass. A little. Camera.
Oh, it's vlogging.
We out, y'all, boys. Ain't ready for us. Strip ain't ready for us. Strip, are you ready for us? The girls are in Paris. I was in Paris, y'all. I'm never gonna tell y'all I was in Vegas. We were in Paris.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. First time in Paris?
First time in Paris, guys? ATM. You feeling lucky, you feeling lucky. So y'all, it is 10 something. Not only are we hungry, the casino wasn't hitting like it was supposed to, so we about to walk and get some food. And honestly, y'all, to be honest, it's just really late, so we probably gonna, you know, really get into it tomorrow. Right now, we just gonna get some food and go home. Oh, y'all, good morning. It is the next day, y'all, and it's Christian's birthday. It's my birthday. Y'all, we didn't do nothing but walk the strip last night. So this morning we're getting ready, making breakfast. We got the chef over there. Y'all, we're not doing nothing much today, but a dinner at tonight. And probably walk the strip. Are we going to Spear? Yeah. Oh, he's going to Spear today. Going to Spear today. It's like a big ball, and inside they show like films. So we got to see that. Imagine being on vacation and having to do your homework.
Her registration or something on it. It's not on.
Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready for us to go out, and I have my outfits. Packed, so I'm about to lay them out in the bed, and I'm about to wet my hair because my hair, yeah, I did a flip over method, and what? I didn't do a flip over method. I got my hair done by Nala. Okay, I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description because she ate. Right now, I got in a ponytail, but you can still even see like, girl, this is my hair. I just put up in a ponytail. Yeah, but no, she did real cute. She did it real good. I love how she always like slays my flip overs. But right now I'm about to put my outfit on the bed, and I'm about to wet my hair a little bit, and then I'm about to wand curl it. So y'all about to get ready with me, and then I'm gonna show y'all all the girls outfit because yeah, you already know we about to be cute, period. So this the outfit. Y'all, the fit. Oh, period. Oh, y'all gotta show y'all fit check.
Shorts from Target.
Yeah.
Shoes from New Balance.
Yeah.
Shirt and shorts are from Macy's.
Period.
These are from Go Out.
Don't play with
from
you.
Sheen.
Period.
Coach. Sheen. Anklets from Sheen.
Period. We made it! Period, guys. It's so big, y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited, y'all, to show y'all this. It looks literally like a big movie theater. They're so hot. After we just got done taking our pictures, so we're in the line. So guys, we couldn't bring our cameras in here, so we gotta vlog off our phones. So I hope y'all can hear us. But our show starts in like an hour, so we're just chilling out here, just checking out the stuff. Because they have food and they have these beautiful elevators. Y'all, look how steep these stairs are. Like, y'all, look at Spirit. It was a vibe. It was so litty. Period.
Vegas is so like surreal. Like,
It is.
We in Vegas. This
Like, who
place
y'all
is
know?
cool as fuck.
Who y'all know me in Vegas? Ah, wait.
Yeah, we in Vegas.
Wait, we in Vegas. Yeah. We bring Florida to Vegas. You know how we do it. Period.
Shanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you run for me, oh baby? Wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me, oh baby? Hold over me, can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think
Alright, so y'all, we vlogging on camera because we going out and drink, but we gonna see who we think gonna be the drunkest of the girls that's not here.
Don't buck the shot.
So the girls who not here is Yanni,
Give me that dish. You said what?
Naja. Who else gone?
And Alex.
And Alex.
Alex get drunk. I'm not gonna lie.
But Alex said she gonna be sober tonight because she wanna be the one to take care of us. Drunkest.
He
gonna be drunkest.
be trying to play like she don't be drunk though.
She be
like, I'm not drunk. I'm still not drunk. And then she be
lying.
But Nigel gonna take a shot, so I think Nigel might get the drunkie.
But I feel like they be getting on the same level as drunk. D just talk more.
No,
So
D.
you notice it.
D be laughing. She like,
I didn't even know point at.
Christian never knows she drunk until she too drunk. Christian bang for me up.
Once the bang to the side, you know what time it is.
Christian
Don't
bang
judge
to
me,
be like
y'all.
this.
Don't judge me.
Bitch, and don't let her bring up that shirt to show
Oh
her
my God.
titties.
Christian be quick to show her titties. I should be like,
I'm so like Jeremy. Tattoos. I'm super excited.
on my booty. Tattoos.
On my booty. What you getting?
They told me not to get 5-star.
Yeah.
About to get drunk. We about to get drunk. We are getting small tattoos. Yeah, I'm a little scared. I don't even know where I'm gonna get a tattoo at, but we about to get it. Y'all, not only is everybody trying to figure out what type of tattoo they get, it's packed. How was the pain?
Like a 5.
A 5.
Not even a 5.
Okay.
It hurt. Let me see it.
I got tattoos. Sorry for sure. They gave us two fucking Oreos and I'm pissed. 2 Oreos, y'all.
And the fried corner.
Oh, and the product corner. 2 Oreos. Y'all were in the casino eating pizza. Drink almost done. Y'all, they made their drink strong. We got drinks at Fat Tuesday. And the drink's drinking. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Guys, Moody won $100.
All you do is that.
Moody, how you feel? Period.
I know he's too big.
You drink some water? Yeah, you do. Y'all, it's Medea. Y'all, good morning. It's 5 something, and we about to head to the airport. We only got a couple hours of sleep, so we about to sleep on that flight, but we about to head to the airport. Oh, y'all. Somebody already left. Alex left, and then everybody else leave later. Y'all, we finally made it to the airport. We just dropped our bags, and now we literally gotta run to our gate because we're pushing it close, and I don't know how long TSA pre-check about to be. So, yeah, y'all pray for us. Hey y'all, so we made it from TSA pre-check, and now we're about to get some food, and I'm about to get a bowl, y'all. I don't know what is this called. Samba. I don't know, y'all.